Hello kids, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 16, direct and indirect speech. Okay, so let us start now this chapter kids. There are two ways in which we can talk about what someone has said. We can create the actual words spoken, we can say. Vipin said, I saw a great film. We can also talk of what was without repeating the exact words. Vipin said that he saw a great when we quit the exact words of the speaker as in the first sentences. We use direct speech, talking about what someone has said without repeating the exact word of the speaker is known as indirect or reported speech. Okay, चलिए let's look at the another example. Number first है she said उसने कहा I will come with you. ये हो गया direct speech. She said that she would come with me. ये हो गया indirect speech. Okay, चलिए changes of the tense in reported speech का we can see that the changes sentences from direct to reported speech there is a back shift of tenses. चाहिए जैसे सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का है आई एम अनवेल, इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे सिंपल फास्ट टेंस में तो बनेगा आई वॉज अनवेल. नेक्स्ट है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में सेंटेंस है आई एम रीडिंग, चेंज होगा फास्ट कंटिन्यूअस में आई वॉज रीडिंग. नेक्स्ट है पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस, चेंज होगा फास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में जैसे आई हैव ईटन टू आई हैड ईटन. सिंपल पास्ट टेंस का एग्जांपल है शी फेल डाउन, चेंज होगा पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में शी हैड फॉलन डाउन. नेक्स्ट है पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, चेंज होगा आई वाज थिंकिंग में, ये होगा पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में एग्जांपल है आई हैड बीन पेंटिंग. नेक्स्ट है पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस करो एग्जांपल है आई हैड वॉच्ड थ्री फिल्म, चेंज होगा पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस में जैसे आई हैड वॉच्ड थ्री फिल्म्स. ओके, चलिए सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस है हमारे पास आई विल गो, ये चेंज होगा हमारा वुड से तो क्या बनेगा आई वुड गो. नो चेंज इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में. द मॉडल्स है कुड वुड शुड माइट एंड ought to in the direct speech. Do not change when changing to reported speech. Examples है I कहता है here said I couldn't finish my work. And I कहता है her said that he couldn't finish his work. उसी तरह डायरेक्ट कहता है Sujan said my father should help me. Indirect कहता है Sujan said that his father should help him. नेक्स्ट है जो मॉडल है मस्ट नॉट इन द इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच डज नॉट चेंज व्हेन द चेंजिंग इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. एग्जांपल है डायरेक्ट सीमा ने कहा शी मस्ट नॉट क्राई या सीमा सेड दैट शी मस्ट नॉट क्राई. ओके, चलिए पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर इज द इंट्रोड्यूसरी और रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब इज इन द प्रेजेंट और द फ्यूचर टेंस. द वर्ब इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज नॉट चेंज. एग्जाम्पल है द गर्ल सेज आई एम ईटिंग paradise. द गर्ल सेज दैट शी इज ईटिंग paradise. Abhishek will say my friends have gone out. Abhishek will say that his friends have gone out. When a sentence conveys a universal truth or habitual action in the term, the reported speech is not changed to the past self. एग्जाम्पल है ही सेड उसने कहा द कुकू बर्ड सिंग्स मेनली बिफोर द वन सेट ऑफ समर्सिबल गाइस. ही सेड दैट द कुकू बर्ड सिंग्स नियरली बिफोर द वन सेट ऑफ समर्सिबल. फादर सेज डॉग्स आर फेथफुल टू देयर मास्टर्स. एग्जाम्पल फादर सेज दैट डॉग्स आर फेथफुल टू देयर मास्टर. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट है चेंजेस इन प्रोनाउन person. In the following sentence, he said उसने कहा I am going for a walk with you. तो he said that he was going for a walk with me. Next is she said, उसने कहा I don't believe you. तो she said that she did not believe he. Okay. The changes in the pronoun in the indirect speech indicate the relationship between the speaker of the direct address and the person who refers it. Changes is time and place है. Words that show nearness in time or place change to word expressing distance. So study the change in the table below for such changes. जैसे जिसका that, now का then, tonight का that night, tomorrow का the following day, these का those, today का that day, और yesterday का the previous day. Changing questions into reported speech. Reporting verb say is changed into ask, wonder, inquiry, etc. The word's order in a reported questions is changed to make. It is a statement by placing the subject before the word. The question mark is replaced with a full stop. In yes or no answer type questions, if or whether is used after the reporting verb to introduce the direct, indirect questions. In question beginning with who, whose, when, there, what, why, how, which, etc. If or whether is not used. Direct कहता है what did you do all afternoon? She said to him. Indirect speech कहते हैं she asked him what he had done all afternoon. Next है how will you solve the sum? He said to students. उसने कहा he asked the students how they would solve the sum. चलो आगे है when will he arrive? She said to her mother. ये भी क्वेश्चन वर्ड वाला होता है तो हमारा कंजक्शन डब्ल्यू से लगेगा. She asked her और क्वेश्चन लगेगा डब्ल्यू से when he would arrive. Who has been doing my books? He said to me. बनेगा he asked me who has been borrowing his books. चलिए आगे है रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब की बात करते हैं. Use the reporting verb say and tell correctly when changes from direct to indirect speech. If the reporting verb has an object, the first of tense is used. Example है Poonam said to me, I have an important meeting today. Poonam told me that he had an important meeting that day. चलिए at other times as the past of say is used. Example है ज्योति ने कहा. ज्योति said pink is not well. ज्योति said that pinky was not well. But it is correct to say something to somebody. Example है Sanju said goodbye. Sanju said goodbye to me. Okay. चलिए आगे है reporting command and request. Imperative sentences like commands, request, statement, giving advice are changed into reported speech by following the given steps. Number first है the verb of the reported speech is changed into the infinitive. जैसे to के साथ verb जोड़ना. Example है he said open the window. He ordered her to open the window. चलिए the reporting verb says changes to reporting verbs like ask, command, want, order or advise. Example है the old lady said to the child be carefully at the sea beach. The old lady warned the child to be careful at the sea beach. When requested are changed into direct speech, the reporting verb say change into request. Ask, beg, plead, invite and so on. Example है the compare said to the audience please be seated. फिर compare requested the audience to be seated. Next the little girl said to her mother please do not punish me. The little girl pleaded with her mother not to punish her. Okay. Second, when negative commands are the change into indirect speech, we use the structure है हमारे पास negative plus infinitive के साथ. Example है the policeman said the thief don't try to run away. A policeman warned the thief not to try run away. Okay? चलिए आगे हैं पंचायत सायर. With a noun or a pronoun used to name the person addressed are changed into indirect speech by treating the nouns or pronouns as a object of the verb. The verb is used. Example, he said, tie your shoelace, Veena. He asked Veena to tie her shoes. Laces. Okay. आगे है rules for changing indirect to direct speech का. When writing direct speech, remember to use speech marks around the word spoken by a person. Total took at some more rules with the example given below. Number first है the two forms of the sentence. है ना, ये तो भी हमारा rules. Example है she asked how are you today. The words spoken in the words that have the reporting verb are separated by a comma. कैसे example बना I am well, thank you, he replied. The first letter of the direct speech being reported in a capital letter. Example, I told him, you must be careful. Next is the punctuation mark at the end of the words. Inside, the speech mark is governed by the speech. At the wow, she exclaimed. Next is the reporting clause breaks a sentence of the speech. There is a comma after the reporting clause. The first letter of the resumed speech is in lower case. Examples are please. It said softly, don't disturb my grandmother. Now kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood well. Thank you. Have a nice day.